Cervical cancer is the second deadliest disease in the world after breast cancer. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Greetings to the honorable judges. So, cervical cancer, by World Health Organization 2022, there's over 660,000 cases and 350,000 deaths caused by cervical cancer, ladies and gentlemen. In Indonesia itself, there is over 400 cases and 300,000 deaths caused by cervical cancer. The government trying their best to reduce this amount of cervical cancer by early screening for women itself, ladies and gentlemen. But this early screening for women is not distributed well in Indonesia. Even me, I don't get this early screening to prevent this cancer develop, ladies and gentlemen, and treat it as soon as possible. Previous research says that a conventional way to treat cervical cancer, such as chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and operation, is not sustainable for the patient itself. It's not comfortable. It makes weight loss, it makes hair loss, it makes hyperpigmentation. So the patient itself is not comfortable to the treatment itself, ladies and gentlemen. That is why I am here, Andida Fali Fabas, delegation for Al-Marisa Madani University, prevents cervical cancer by innovation self-non-emulsifying drug delivery system loaded daun sirih merah pipercrocatum as an alternative to cure this cervical cancer, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to persuade the honorable judges by the method SMART, or specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. First thing first, specific. This type of drug, that self-non-emulsifying drug delivery system loaded daun sirih merah, is a local targeted drug, so it only works on mucosa of vaginal of the woman itself, ladies and gentlemen. That is why it have lesser side effects, such as no more hair loss, no more weight loss, no more hyperpigmentation. Why, ladies and gentlemen? Because it's only going to kill and inhibit this cancer cells in mucosa of vagina, ladies and gentlemen. It's not going to affect the healthy cells in our hair, in our skin, and many parts of our body. So it's going to be sustainable, and it's going to be most likely liked by the people that want to treat cervical cancer, ladies and gentlemen. The second is measurable. The indicator of succeed of this drug, ladies and gentlemen, is the moment when we test it as in vivo, ladies and gentlemen. When the moment we test it to cell HeLa or HeLa cells, ladies and gentlemen, it could inhibit these cells. The moment when it could be inhibit these cells, ladies and gentlemen, it means that these cells of cell HeLa representing the cancer itself. It means that this drug is working to inhibit cancer cells, ladies and gentlemen. The second is achievable. Why is this achievable, ladies and gentlemen? Because we see the potential of this innovation is really, really good for the society and for the future of Indonesia, ladies and gentlemen. So we could work with the stakeholder itself, ladies and gentlemen. The moment where we could work with the stakeholder, it could be happen to be make more impact, ladies and gentlemen. And the next is achievable. Why is this achievable? Because we see the future of the Indonesia to reduce this amount of cervical cancer. And the next is time bound. We really look at the time bound, ladies and gentlemen. The first year is for formulation of this drugs, ladies and gentlemen, and the second year we're going to test it to HeLa cells, and then the next year 2028 is going to be released and tested in human, ladies and gentlemen. That is why we really want to implement and trying to innovate this kind of method, ladies and gentlemen. So that is all. I'm going to show you what the impact if we create these drugs, ladies and gentlemen. First thing first, is going to be most likely to patient, and it's going to be sustainable for the society, ladies and gentlemen. Why is that so? Because it's going to be have a lesser side effects. It's only local targeted drug, so it's only going to be work in mucosa of vaginal. So it's not going to affect other our parts of our body. It's going to beneficial for the government itself if they implement it and got a stakeholder with me, and that is why I'm Andida Falfa Abbas going to be taking out. Thank you.